Hi, welcome to our first video in a series of 8 about sign language. So today I'm going to be introducing some basic sign language to use with young children. I'm going to start with a song. Eat, 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 please. Eat, 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 please. Eat, 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 please. Eat, 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 please. Thirsty, 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 thirsty. Water, milk, water, milk, water, milk, water, milk. Book, 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 please, book, book, please, book, book, please, book. Sleep, 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 sleep. Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy. Yes, no, 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 yes, no. Wait, 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 wait. All done, 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 all done. Help, please, 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 help, please. Hurt, 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 hurt. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. When you're ready to start signs, there's a few things you should keep in mind. First, keep it easy, low expectations, introduce just a couple of signs at a time and provide lots of repetition. So if you're working on eat or thirsty, just provide lots of snacks and drinks, and after your child is finished, you can take the item away and then have them ask again to get it back. And so that way they have lots of practice, and be patient, and make sure that you're making it interactive and fun.